In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Instagram chat theme song option not showing. If you have tried setting a theme song on Instagram but the option is still shown as off or the option is not available, then the first thing you want to do is open Play Store or App Store on your device. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search for Instagram. Now if you find the update option, tap on it and update the app to the latest version. Updating the app is going to give you new features. Now, after it has been updated, open the app and check if this feature is now available. If it is not, then the next thing you want to do is clear the Instagram's app cache. Go ahead and long press on the Instagram app. Now tap on this app info icon. Here, find the option of storage. Tap on it. Now tap on clear cache. You can also tap on clear data, but you will have to log into your account again. Now head back and tap on the force stop option. Now tap on OK. After this, open the Instagram app. Then check the theme song option again. Try selecting your song and setting it again. If the feature still doesn't work, keep in mind that Instagram features can be rolled out gradually. The option may not be fully available for every account or region yet, even if you have updated the app. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.